Hello dear mathematics friends. Today exponential equations. Follow me please. First of all, we are going to identify that we have an equation because here we have the equal sign and here we have an exponent that is a letter. Always you need letters in the exponent and the equal sign with an expression on the left side and an expression on the right side. So, first of all, we have to say that we have two main methods to solve exponential equations. First method, we are going to try to get the same base here and here. But it is very important to say that always, if you are going to solve an exponential equation or a logarithmic equation, you need only one term on the left side and only one term on the right side. Otherwise, you need strategies, algebraic strategies, to get only one term on the left side, only one term on the right side. Here I have one term. Okay, I can start. Let's go. How to get the number 2 here and here? Well, we are going to factorize 64. 64 divided by 2 is 32, divided by 2 is 16, divided by 2 is 8, divided by 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. That means that here I have 2 raised to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the 6th power. So, to solve an exponential equation or a logarithmic equation, it is very important to have only one term here and only one term here. Otherwise, you need algebraic strategies in order to get only one term here and only one term here. So, we are going to have two methods. First method, that is not always working, but it is very easy. The other method will be always working if the exponential equation has a solution. Then I need to get the same base here and here. So I need to convert this 64 in a 2. How to get that? Well, I can factorize the 64. 64 divided by 2 is 32, divided by 2 is 16, divided by 2 is 8, divided by 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. That is 2 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 64 is 2 to the power of 6. Then I can write 2 raised to the x power will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 6. And here it is very simple because you need 2 raised to something to be equal to 2 raised to something. To get a true expression, you need that this exponent will be equal to this exponent. Then x will be equal to 6. Because if you replace the x with a 6, you have 2 raised to the power of 6 equal to 2 raised to the power of 6. Very, very simple. Unfortunately, sometimes it is not possible to get a 2 here and a 2 here, or maybe a 3 here and a 3 here. That's why we are going to explain another method for doing the same thing. Another method. If you have 2 raised to the power of x equal to 64, we need to analyze the logarithm properties that we saw in our last video. So in order to eliminate a 2, we need a logarithm base 2. But if we put log base 2 here, we are going to put log base 2 here. An equation will always have the same operation on the left side and on the right side. Then log base 2 of 2 will be eliminated, and you get x, that it will be equal to log base 2 of 64. If you have a calculator that can calculate log base 2, no problem, you will get 6. But if you don't have it, you can change the base. Remember our last property of our last video. Then you will write log base 10 of the argument divided by log base 10 of the base. And here with the calculator you will get x is equal to 6. And that's all, very simple. But don't forget, to start you need only one term here, only one term here. No, no. But don't forget it. To start you will always need only one term here and only one term here. Otherwise you need to use strategies to get only one term on each side. Thank you very much, dear Phasmatic friends. See you next time.